Which slots are proper to install 2x8 GB of RAM? Take a look at the image from the manual of the motherboards, Asus H87E. Am I supposed to install 2x8 GB RAM modules into A1 and A2 or into A1 and B1? Thanks.
Due to Intel Linfield CPU integrated memory controller limitation, DIMM slots A1 and B1 must be populated first, or your system may not boot up, since the memory modules in A2 and B2 will not be recognized. Agistec Computer Inc. Support FAQ. Letter commonly refer to channel, numbers commonly refer to order inside channel. In usual case, when manual doesn't have other explicit instructions, slots must be filled in following order: first slot of first channel, A1 in example, first slot of second channel, B1. How to correctly install computer memory. The memory modules are installed into matching banks, which are usually color-coded on the motherboard. Dual-channel architecture.
You want the same amount of memory on each controller channel, therefore A1 and B1 should be populated.
You should populate A1 and B1 first. You can also use the coloring scheme of the DIMM slots. Notice A1 and B1 are the same color? By installing the RAMs there you will enable the dual-channel architecture.
Subject 3,